What the fuck? She's drinking like it's not alcohol, sorry.
मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है.
It's embarrassing. And they were like,
Hi guys.
and welcome back. You have to look there, not here. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, I am not alone. I am with a very, very special guest. So special. My sister Avni.
Hi guys. How's it going? I'm here today to support my sister. Obviously, not for you guys. But yeah, today we're gonna spill a lot of tea. So stay tuned and yeah.
And how exactly are we going to be spilling tea?
By asking questions that you all want to know for a really long time. And there's one video that went really famous. So we're gonna
Famous,
speaking about
literally
that.
famous,
Literally
not famous
famous.
at all. Anyway, my point is. Anyway, my point is we are going to do a spicy noodle challenge. We've gotten ramen and it's going to be 2x spicy. So freaking spicy. And if we don't answer the question, we'll have to eat ramen. And the fun part is whoever loses has to do an extremely bad dare in public.
Oh,
Yeah.
Extremely
So before we
bad.
extremely bad. Before we move ahead, of course, we have to do intro videos of the two people in the
What's so
challenge.
special and important for you guys, of course.
Exactly.
Even though
So
you don't really.
anyway, let's go.
Let's go.
Hi guys, we're back and we are here with our spicy ramen.
2x spicy ramen. And
So to begin, she really wants to eat it because she's hungry, but she doesn't realize it's so spicy. So we, in order to celebrate this video, we're going to take a bite. So let's do that. God, I'm scared. I think I'm बहुत जोश में आ गया और खाना है, but पता नहीं
अभी मुंह जलने वाला है
चढ़ने
और
पर
मुंह से लाल भी पड़ रही है.
मैं क्यों खाऊं, तू खा. इसको खाना हो तो मेरे को पहले खिलाना चाहती है. How is it?
Yummy. Oh fuck.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Oh fuck. Oh shit, it's really bad. इसके मुंह में गया नहीं. हाँ. नीला भाई.
What the fuck?
Bro, it's so bad. Your eyes, her eyes went red.
Look at your mouth. Let us first calm down and be back. We have to answer all these questions. Oh, boy. I'm not kidding. If you ever need like a plumping gloss, forget lip injection, which I love, by the way. This is like a natural lip plumper. My lips are giving Kylie Jenner.
Noodles are so hot.
They are like, you
I didn't
guys look
expect
at
it to
them.
be so hot, bro. But let's try not to drink water. We'll try, okay?
Okay, we'll try. Anyway,
But
let's
we'll
get
have it
on.
in case emergencies. But yeah,
Anyway, let's get on. I'm winning. You best believe it.
you wish.
Okay, so your first question is, tell me about your biggest like friendship breakup. You have to name the person you had a friendship breakup with, as well as go into detail about why y'all are no longer friends anymore.
Oh my god.
Are you gonna answer or not?
I have to think. Wait.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas.
Okay, let's do it. So, this is a really crazy story because I was like, what, in lockdown when this happened, and this particular person who used to claim to be my best friend.
What is her name?
I don't-
If you don't name, you have.
There's used to be this girl who really doesn't exist for me anymore and never will ever. But she's the only person who I've had like a friendship breakup with, like nobody else. So her name is Zoya.
How old is
And
she? She's probably young.
She's
Sorry.
my
Child. Anyway, so
yeah, she's my age. It was like a period of my life where I was really young, and it was the first friendship breakup that I had
what was
with
the
somebody
friendship
who I
breakup?
was really close with. We had a group in school. It was like a trio group with one of my friends who's still my best friend, by the way, and another girl, which is Zoya. And we were like best of friends, okay? Like we were like ride and die. Lockdown hit and all that happened. We kind of stopped speaking to each other. And achanak se one day I texted her and I texted her and I was like, hi, we haven't spoken in long. And I think she told me that there's one more group of girls in our class and they're very nice. They're very nice people. Now I realize that they're very nice people. Then I thought they were like bitches because that girl tempted me to think so, because she told me that they asked to choose between our group and their group. And I was like, what the, like, why would somebody ask you to do something so horrible, you know? Because I believe in relationships, in friendships, relationships, any kind of relationship. So basically, that girl asked, told me that the other group of girls who she was friends with, asked them to choose between our group and their group. And she's like, I'm so sorry, I chose their group instead of yours. I was like, I was shocked for a minute because this girl was like really close to me and I was really like, you know, dependent on her, very dependent on her. Cut to now, okay? Now this was like in 2020, right? Girl has left school. She's like gone somewhere, moved to another country, city, whatever. This group of girls who she asked to pick were still in the school, right? Suddenly, uska topic bahar aa gaya, that girl's, Zoya's topic came out, and all of them just started speaking कि यार तुम लोग ने ऐसा क्यों किया, कि तुमने उसको क्यों बोला हमारे.
So she said two different stories.
Yeah. So they asked us that why did y'all ask her to choose between y'all and them, and I asked them the same thing, and they were like, we never asked to choose.
So
Like,
she just didn't want to.
She just made up a whole story. But it's her. She's the problem, and she creates problem in everybody's life. So, like, I mean, just let her.
Point of creating all this drama if she's leaving anyway.
I think she just wanted attention, probably, because nobody was giving it to her. Well, that's it.
She answered the question. Oh no! So she got
1 point. Okay, so let's go. Now I'm gonna ask her a question. It's her
I'm
chance.
so confident. I'm not going to take one more bite of that. I am done with it. Like, no way.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm leaving the best for the last. We'll go harsh later. So, what is your craziest drunk story?
Craziest.
Craziest.
Honestly, I can be a little crazy.
I really want to know this because I don't.
I'll tell you my first time getting drunk. It was honestly one of the most random, craziest things were happening. And it's honestly like, what the fuck was wrong with me? Okay, so, in my head, no, before I got drunk, I used to think ki, there is no way that I can get drunk. I am like immune to it.
Oh.
No, I am immune to it. मैं जितना भी पी लूं, मेरे दिमाग में था कि मैं तो drunk ही नहीं हो सकती थी, because when I was younger, I used to try to take a sip of alcohol. Like when my mom is sleeping, or there's alcohol somewhere, I would try to take a sip, and I'm like, nothing's happening. Literally, nothing is happening. So I was like, nothing's gonna happen now also. So my friends and I, this is after our boards got over. I think boards or 11th, no, after the 12th grade got over. Okay? So we all met at my friend's house. She lived close by, so all of us met there and we decided to drink. Now, the drinks that were being made was by this guy. He knew what he was doing, correct? And then he disappeared for a little bit, and then my other friend, she decided to take over, and I don't know what she did with the drink. As soon as we had it, everybody was all over the place. My one of my friends, I was talking to her, okay? I turn around and then I look back at her. She's on the freaking floor, being carried by 4 people, being her mom, dad, her brother, and like another friend, to her room. She was out. I was going mad in the sense that my friend, another one of them, the one who made the drink, passed out. and her sister was taking care of her. She passed out, she was throwing up and stuff, and I was like, where is she? I called her 8 times and she's literally in the next room. My friends and I, our parents are separated, right?
Yeah.
So the three of us, we made a triangle and bawled our eyes out, crying about, oh god, our family is separate, we can bond over this. Like, imagine a triangle, literally holding hands and like,
Why triangle?
because only the three of us, so we were in a triangle.
Wow.
And we're like, oh god. But it was fine. We were just drunk and going through it. It was dumb. I don't know. I was sitting on everybody's lap, like all my girlfriends' laps, and I was just crying. Like there was something mentally wrong with me, or I was going through it during COVID, as anybody else would be as well, and I was just not okay.
Okay.
Guess who's not having the... Okay, we have added like a rule. If I end up answering her question, she has to take a bite, and if she ends up answering my question, I have to take a bite. So somebody's eating all the time.
I don't like the idea, but
So Miss Avni will be having first.
but you will also have no.
Yeah, I'll also have. So
Yeah,
let's
then.
do that.
इतना सा खा रही हूँ.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas. Los secretos.
Anyway, let's move on to the next question. Avni, I know she's dreading this, but I'm very curious. I mean, it's
Don't.
okay. Why did you and your ex break up?
Just give it to me, bro. I cannot. I cannot.
Big bite. Let's go.
Har Har Mahadev.
She's going for it. That is crazy. Let's meditate. Meditate. Loser, double loser, whatever I say. Take a picture, da. I wanted her to have noodles. I knew she would never answer this, but I want to win. That's why. So to calm her down, Shawn Mendes is coming to India, by the way, which we are going for. I don't give a shit. So we will chill with.
Won't lie to you, I'd write for you. Your face, say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation.
Okay, we're back, and
here to win.
I'm so sure she won't be able to answer this question, and I'm literally crying right now because it's so hot. The Maggie bowl ramen. So, when did you? At what age? At what age did you lose your virginity, and how was your first time? She's calling me Bhojpuri queen, being from UP herself. Look at her. Nonsense. I'm only eating.
Because I am answering. वैसे this looks very yummy, but that is like the big prime example कि don't judge a book by its cover. If it looks pretty, doesn't mean it's pretty. Okay, it's my turn apparently. I'm going to ask you.
no, yeah.
It's a dare.
No.
It is a dare. My dare is for you to prank call your friend. It could be a girl or a boy, and tell them you like them.
Okay.
Or you've had feelings for them for a very long time. Her dare was to prank call somebody, could be a girl or a guy, and tell them that she likes them. Okay, so she will be prank calling now. Who are you planning to prank call?
Okay, there are two people who I can.
Who?
One is my best friend, and other is also my best
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
friend.
उठा रहा नहीं है.
हेलो
Hello.
हाँ बोल
Hi, क्या कर रहा है?
क्लास चल रही है मेरी
Hello.
हेलो
Hi.
हाय
क्या कर रहा
फोन
है?
की थी अरे मैं सत्यनारायण की पूजा में था
अच्छा, तू अभी फ्री है?
हाँ बोलना क्या वो
अच्छा, सर मेरे को तेरे से बात करनी है कुछ.
बोलना
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, साइड में आ जाओ. ये मेरे फीलिंग्स है, तेरे को अगर किसी चीज से नहीं लेना देना है, आई डोंट गिव अ फक, आई एम जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो व्हाट आई फील. ओके, कल जब हम लोग मिले, ओके, काफी टाइम से मेरे दिमाग में चल भी रहा था, बट आई डोंट नो कि तेरे को बताओ कि नहीं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली फ्रेंडशिप रूइन हो जाएगी एंड ऑल दैट शिट.
ये तूने हाँ तो
मेरे को शायद मेरे को तेरे फीलिंग्स तो एकदम नहीं है क्योंकि तू सी वर्ड है, बट मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है थोड़ा सा.
हाँ वो तो मुझे भी तू अच्छी लगती है.
बट अच्छा लगता है इन द सेंस लाइक नॉट मोर फ्रेंड, नॉट फ्रेंडशिप वाला अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ
लाइक यू नो व्हाट आई मीन.
ये तू पहले भी कर चुकी है. किसने डेयर दिया तेरे को?
नहीं दिया है मैं तेरे को, नहीं डेयर दे. तेरे को यही लगता है ना. अरे यार फक यू ब्रो, मजाक तेरे को समझता है बस. बट अभी जब सीरियस हूँ तो समझ.
बोल बोल.
वही बोल रही हूँ और क्या. बोल क्या.
तुझे मुझे भी तो पसंद है.
ओके
बाय. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? बाय. करे जाए.
ओके ठीक है, मेरे को बाद में फोन कर ले प्रोसेस फिर फोन कर. एक्चुअली थिंक आई लाइक हिम. ची ऐसे नहीं यार, मेरा भाई है वो. ओके
She ate that up. Good job.
इतना बड़ा डोंट हैव, तो मुंह जल जाएगा पूरा. अभी वैसे तेरे को खाना ही पड़ेगा फिर से. तू आंसर तो कर नहीं पाएगी वाला.
चाहिए या कैश चाहिए? कैश चाहिए, मुझे कैश चाहिए. कैश चाहिए, मुझे कैश चाहिए.
So, the question we've all been waiting for. Your YouTube family, including me. I know you can't answer. You're dying. Have water.
We took a little bit of break because the guy she was prank calling called her back. He knew it was a prank, which is great. But
Okay, so it's 2-2 right now. We're both winning. Who loses?
तुझे इसकी you have like some allergy from this.
Yeah.
Because anytime she speaks, she's like, hello, bata.
I'm so loud. I don't require the mic.
Anyway, so the next question is, well, it's quite funny actually. We live in the same building, don't we?
Yeah.
We know a lot of the same people. I mean, not know, but have seen around like the same people. Name one of the biggest chapris you know in our building, and why you think they're a chapri? Did they do something, or what is the reason? Huh?
Okay, so I know the answer, but I will not answer this because I don't. It's not that I'm scared or anything. I just don't want to answer this because it gets a little insulting, which I don't want to. We're just gonna eat and we're gonna lose because.
I truly feel like I've gotten my period, which is the worst timing. I'm also eating spicy.
Whoa.
Yup, big bite. Let's go.
Who is one of the bitchiest girlfriends you have currently, but they don't know?
Bitch's girlfriend.
You have currently, and take the name. Is it gonna be a tie? Is it gonna be a tie?
I don't have a lot of friends.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Bol Rani.
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
तूने बोला था
Friends में लड़कियों में कौन सबसे bitchiest लगता है तुम्हें बताओ बस.
दे भाई मैंने बोल सकती है. I love all the girls. I have a name, but it's not really because I hate that person. They can be bitchy sometimes, but only love to my girls from Mean Girls. Fuck you, bitch. I'm having this. Well, we're both at a tie. We tied. We're both going to be having this as a punishment. But this is not it. We also have a dare, which we will reveal after we finish eating this. So let's do it. We are outside because I think the lighting is like 20,000 times much better. And the dare that we were talking about is we are going to be pregnant and publicly humiliating ourselves. So I got these balls. Originally I was getting these cushions, circular cushions, but that didn't work out. So we're going to be chilling with this.
So I changed into something much more.
I think pregnant people are thoda. Imagine this over here.
Kim Kardashian West.
It's giving very pregnant. Avni, I don't think yours is giving pregnant at all. And mine isn't either. So this is our pregnancy. No, there's more. We're going to go in public.
What if I act like hitting my baby in public? Ow.
क्या कितना किक करता रहता है.
चुप कर जा साला.
We are currently at the mall and I'm so freaking scared with the pregnancy
Bellies.
Yeah. You know, originally the prices of like a pregnancy belly is 10,000 and above, like a fake belly.
Crazy man.
And I wasn't paying that much, so we got freaking balls. So let's see. I'm so scared.
Oh my god.
I'm literally the most anxious, introverted person, and she's the complete opposite, which is why I think we work so well together.
We're here, and she's shit scared, but we're gonna do what we're here to do. So let's put it in, guys. I just did it. Do it.
Like I'm in La La Land, literally La La Land.
Just walk as if you're actually pregnant.
It's embarrassing, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
Guys, so embarrassing.
This is hitting literally rock bottom. Everybody is looking at us. Literally.
क्या क्या करना पड़ता है भाई ये सब चीजें.
Oh God, this is the worst place to be at. Literally the worst.
चल.
Avni, I can't.
चुपचाप.
Wait, let's show our bellies. There are a lot of people who have been looking, but it's fine.
Go to the food court.
I'm in La La Land. I can't go. I can't go.
चल. We're gonna get ice cream, guys. Okay.
Feel as a pregnant woman.
I feel I am having a lot of cravings right now, like ice cream. So we're gonna go have ice cream now. I'm just coming along, staring. The food.
I can't.
Do it.
Guys,
Yes, you
mission
can.
abort.
Yes, you. Main chocolate chip देना. What do you want?
I think the biggest pregnancy craving is ice cream, so we're having ice cream. This is freaking embarrassing. You can be in the video.
Okay.
We just got the nastiest glares. Like these girls looked back at us
Bunch of girls.
and they were like, that, which is great. I love self-confidence. People in front of us are laughing, around us are laughing. It is embarrassing as hell. But at least we have ice cream, which is great. Let me FaceTime my boyfriend, who's going to be like, what is wrong with you? I don't know how you.
I think I like being pregnant. They literally just laughed so hard that I just heard it. Yeah. Pregnant. Okay, we're leaving the mall now.
Hello.
Hi guys, we're finally in the car and we're done with this video and this challenge.
It was so embarrassing, but honestly,
So fun,
I
so
feel
fun.
like
I had a lot of fun, honestly. मेरे पे red light क्यों आ रहा है?
that's okay. Anyway, point is, I think some people laughed, but I hope we made somebody's
Some
day.
people?
A lot of people laughed, but
Yeah.
I think it was overall really fun. So
I agree. Super fun.
I know for a fact you guys loved Avni in the video. She was the badass who would not let me take it out. I wanted to take it out so many times, but she's like, no taking it out, and it was
That's
amazing.
how it should be, right? Also, one more thing I want to say. You guys, you all have to keep on supporting her because she works so hard for all of this. And ये बोलेगी बाद में मेरे को emo हो रही है, but मैं सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, बहुत मेहनत करती है. और आज हम लोग कितना मेहनत किया इसने. आज मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया, इसने सब किया है. So for that we need you to give us a big thumbs up and also subscribe to her channel. Comment and share this video, and if you
Want us to publicly embarrass ourselves again?
again let us know. I'm up for it. Bye.